Alright, the next step in this house project is to clean up a bit of the rubbish, and do that by deleting guides and adding a few little extras just to finish it off before we go on to the next stage of flattening the parts so we can make a model. What I'm going to do is draw something in as a support for this porch area, but before I do that, what I want to do is make sure that all of these parts here are grouped up as one piece. So what that means is that the parts that I draw aren't going to stick to it, so I'm going to use that move tool, move it upwards, and type in 10,000. I'm going to grab this top here, shift and click, so we've got both of them, make that into a group, and I'm going to select all of that, hold down shift, unselect the top, and make the bottom of the house a group. So we should be able to separate those two, and that should all be done. So I'm going to grab that, move it back down 10,000, and it's all together and cleaned up. We're just going to have to add this. Now the eaves on this house are roughly 450, so I'm going to draw in where the support would start. T for tape measure, and type the number in, hit enter. That will give you the correct amount. Now when you draw rectangles and you want to size them up, what you want to do is to drag them out and push them in a larger than you would normally want. That way I can tell that the width of this rectangle is 169 and the depth is 814. So the width I'm going to type in first. I'll go, I'll try 75, 200, and I'm going to push pull that out to the front. Triple click on the object, that will select it because nothing else is actually, everything else that's touching it is actually grouped up. So I'll make that into a group. So now grab the rectangle tool again, half a rectangle, drag it down this way. This time it's telling me that the depth comes first, so I've got 200, 75, and I'm going to push pull that up to the front here, triple click and group that one up too, and I'm going to put a post in here, 100 by 100, and if you zoom back a little bit and push it to the bottom of the house, that will line that up for you. Lastly, I'll make that into a group as well and start painting some of this stuff. So just find a colour that's sort of close to something like that to do.